If you live in the United States and your paycheck seems to vanish before the month even ends, no matter how many hours you work, you are not alone. Millions of American households are caught in invisible financial traps that drain their wealth slowly and quietly. Today, we are breaking down the 7 most damaging money traps keeping Americans poor and exactly how you can escape them. Trap number 1, the $700 car payment trap. Across the United States, signing a 72-month auto loan for a brand new vehicle has become normalized. But paying upwards of $700 a month plus rising auto insurance for a depreciating asset is one of the fastest ways to destroy your monthly cash flow. Trap number 2, ignoring the employer 401k match. Millions of American workers leave free money on the table every single year by failing to contribute enough to meet their employer's full retirement match. If your company offers a 4% match and you are not taking it, you are rejecting a direct raise. Trap number 3, storing emergency savings in traditional banks. Leaving your emergency fund in a big bank checking account earning 0.01% interest while inflation sits above 3% means you are losing purchasing power daily. Moving that cash to a high-yield savings account yielding over 4% is non-negotiable. Trap number 4, treating credit cards like free money. Carrying balances month to month and paying massive double-digit APR interest charges keeps American consumers trapped in a debt cycle. The 30% credit utilization myth also hurts scores. Keeping utilization below 10% is the real goal. Trap number 5, renting out of your financial league. Spending more than 30% of your take-home pay on luxury apartment rent leaves you house poor, completely unable to fund a Roth IRA or invest in index funds. Trap number 6, lifestyle creep after every raise. Every time an American worker gets a promotion or a salary bump, their expenses instantly expand to match it, locking them permanently into the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. Trap number 7, not having a clear debt payoff strategy. Making only minimum payments on student loans or credit cards ensures interest compounds aggressively against you. Utilizing the debt snowball or avalanche method changes everything. Review your accounts today, plug these leaks, and take back control of your financial future. Educational content only, not personalized financial advice.